how to remove or disable BitLocker encryption in Windows 11. So if you want to remove or disable the BitLocker encryption in Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for Windows PowerShell. Here you will have your Windows PowerShell. You just need to simply go with Run as Administrator. Or you can right click on your Windows and here you will have Windows PowerShell as an admin. Just click on it. It will take you to the same kind of interface. Now what you need to do is just simply enter some commands. So the command goes like manage -bde space -status and hit the enter, and you will be able to check all of the BitLocker encryption. In my case, it is all unlocked and the protection is off, which you can see right here, the protection status, it's off. So if you have any drive in which the protection is on, and if you want to turn it off, then what you need to do is you just need to simply enter a command, which is disable BitLocker space -mount point, but make sure that you have entered the D in disable in caps, and then BitLocker, B and L in caps, space, mount point, M and P in caps, space, and now you need to enter the drive name. For example, in my case, I'll be choosing F drive. Make sure that you've entered in this kind of interface with the quotations. And once you hit the enter, then it will be disabled. And if you want to turn off the protection also, then just go with the next command, which is manage -bde space -off space F in caps and then colon, and hit the enter. And that's how you can remove or disable the BitLocker encryption in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.